Uwe fruik ni maya nifta bang ting nikunting nari Tumpaya katos akea katos ekong talana weruta asi Za uwe fruik ni maya nifta bang ting.
Yo guys, it's the Apple Core, and in today's video I will be showing you how to make Cydia look more modern with a tweak called Modern Deceptions. From what I've seen, this tweak has been talked about very little and in my opinion is an essential tweak if you're using Cydia. This tweak will improve the look of your home page and installing packages. First, open Cydia and add the repo.pixelomer.com. This repo will be in the description below. Next, you want to go onto the repo you just added, all packages, scroll down to Modern Deceptions, Modify, Install, Confirm. Now you need to restart your Springboard. Then go back into Cydia and you should see a much more modern look. And with that, thanks for watching guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe.
Uwe fruik ni maya nifta bang ting nikunting nari Tumpaya katos akea katos ekong talana weruta asi Za uwe fruik